Hi guys, today we are making anabolic French toast. So let's get directly into it. So all we need is cinnamon. This is हिंदी में दालचीनी बोलते हैं. This is Amul skim milk. You can use any kind of milk. That's fine. I'm into fat loss, so I'm using this one. So here we got vanilla extract. So we're gonna use a few drops of this one. Gives a really good flavor. I have 4 eggs over here, butter, 5 grams. I've measured it, and some pink salt. Okay, to step 3. We make our batter. So let's mix our eggs, cinnamon, and our milk. Mix these 4 eggs. Cinnamon. This is like almost 2 teaspoons. Pink salt. Let's take 50. I guess this is enough. I'm using 50, but you can use 100, like according to your calorie intake. Also, I'm using a non-stick tawa because since we're using less butter, we make sure that the French toast doesn't stick to the surface. So now we turn the heat of butter. I'm gonna spread the butter like in all directions, so I make sure the French toast doesn't stick to the surface. ये perfect temperature पे है. So I'm gonna mix the bread into a batter. Hands are gonna be a little bit dirty. You can use gloves or कुछ भी use करो यार. तो अभी ये bread थोड़ा gooey हो जाता है. Gooey can break. So use a spoon or something like this. So guys, I forgot to add this 2 sachets of stevia. मैं थोड़ा भूल गया, but ठीक है, doesn't matter. So we're gonna add 2 sachets of stevia. This is plant-based sugar. It's not unhealthy. Make sure the gas is on low heat because you don't want to overcook it. Flip them over now. I think these 2 babies are cooked. Like I said, I like my French toast a little bit undercooked because it tastes like cake to me. I'm using a disposable plate because we buy nahi aayi hai, or because my dad just got tested positive, so we are quarantined and I don't want to wash the plates. So French toast is ready. I've taken a little bit of honey, so a drizzle of honey is fine. It's healthy. So I'm gonna pour my honey on the French toast. If you are having this breakfast, you don't need to cheat. I promise you that. आपको चीट करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. This tastes like cake. So let me see how it's gonna taste now. I can't wait. Well, let me enjoy my breakfast now. Wow. काही येडे आपण
खायला
दूधच टाकलं नाही.
डॅन तू खाणार आहे ना.
नाही